Oh my gosh, guys, I have this amazing haul behind me. I don't know if you've ever heard of Growing Sense of Style. It's this amazing kids sale. It's all over the country. I didn't sell anything this year. My kids are older, but I did buy a ticket for the clearance event, which is the last day, and I got all this stuff at 50% off already, extremely low prices. So we're gonna do a quick haul video, okay? All right, so this lovely is, I forget her name. She's one of the princesses. Oh, thank you, Katie. Elena of Avalor. I just sold her for $49.99 on eBay, and I found her somewhere else for $4, and she was, again, $4 because she was 8, and she's 50% off, so she's going right back up. And the great thing about that on eBay is I can just relist that old listing and change the pictures out, so this doll is there, and we're good to go. Kate Spade new in box flip-flops. Aren't they cute? I hate when they're my size because I kind of want to keep them, but these were only $2. Woo! What's this? I got some fun hats. I don't really remember buying those, to be honest. Oh, what's this? I love that they wrap it like a present. Oh, Kate Spade sunglasses. I also love these, but I think I will be listing them. Okay, what's next? Lululemon. I looked these up when I was looking at them. They were the only Lululemons listed that were on clearance. They were marked down, so you don't have to mark down at Growing Sense of Style. And I looked these up, and they sell between $35 and $50. And these were in particularly beautiful shape, and I paid $4 for them. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot all this stuff. It's so fun. Tory Burch, little wristlet, and I paid $6. Guys, Marc Jacobs, I remember how much this cost because I couldn't believe it. $15. Absolutely gorgeous, perfect condition. Tory Burch, beautiful, and $18. Oh my gosh. What a haul. This is crazy. Look how cute this is. Tory Burch. Oh my gosh, guys, $8. How cute is that for fall? Mustard colored. This is Fabletics. Isn't that cute? Super fuzzy. $4. Oh, these are Joey, which are super cute, and that's a really high-end brand. Kind of want to keep these myself. Look how cute those cropped ones are. But I'll see what the comps are. This is the cutest superhero set. It's Supergirl, and it's kind of one of those 6y tween ones. So I'm gonna list that for Halloween. And it was $3. Oh, Miss Elaine vintage. Super cute. That was a whopping $2, guys. Miss Elaine. Okay, guys, this is, I'm not even gonna open these because I wanna keep them together. It's the superhero Barbies, and it was $1 for the set. This is so fun! I love it. God, I paid nothing for this stuff. What a cute Calvin Klein vest. Isn't that cute, Katie? She's nodding. All right, seeing boots. Ooh, Katie, look at those. These are Uggs. Aren't they cute? $6. Anne Klein. Isn't that cute? It's leather and it's leopard. And it was $2. This is Banana Republic. I just bought this for myself, but it was $1 for a shrug, and it's cashmere. And then I got Riley an extra pair of jazz shoes. These were $1 for her size. And vintage Reeboks. These were $3. They're perfect. I think they're remake Reeboks, but they'll sell really well. Those are in great shape, huh? They were $3. Wow, they look brand new. I don't think anybody's ever worn these suckers. And finally, last but not least, Kanani Surfboard from American Girl. I couldn't resist this for $1. It sells okay, but I have a bunch of Kanani's other stuff, so I'm gonna make a lot on eBay for Christmas. What an amazing haul. Oh my God, I'm missing this bag. Oh, and I got The cutest Pottery Barn kid. It was only $4. They clearanced it down from $8, and it's Pirates. So yes, I spent a lot of money, but oh my gosh, the possibilities of how much I can make on this is tenfold. So 50% off sales, especially when you're looking at thrifts or clearance events, so worth it. I'm pumped, guys.